Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Welcome, brothers and sisters, to my channel Faisal Azib. In last video, I have shown you how to use comparator without Lambda expression. Okay, using the compare method, creating a new class to implement the comparator interface. And now it's time to use Lambda expression. Okay? Yes, all that I have shown you before is to introduce you step by step to this moment how to use Lambda expression to sort our collection list. So, before we have the class, my class or my comparator that implement the interface comparator with the method compare. Okay? The interface comparator contains only one abstract method, and it is compare. So, each interface that is functional interface contain only one abstract method, we can change this method to Lambda expression. Okay? So let's do it now with the version of Lambda expression. And you will see it's very, very easy. Okay? So here, I don't need the class my comparator. When I call collections.sort, open parentheses, list, colon, semicolon, new my comparator, I will remove new my comparator and we put here directly the Lambda expression. So in the compare method, what I have two arguments. Okay? I have integer value 1 and integer value 2. So I will just start. Open parentheses, integer value 1, comma, integer value 2. The two parameters, two arguments, we are the same type, so the compiler gets automatically based on context, what is the type of this parameter. So can remove the integer. So we have value 1, comma, value 2. Like this, we make simple arrow. And now we will just write the simple statement that I have used before in the last video. Okay, of compare method. It means I will put parentheses, value 1 is bigger than value 2, interrogation, I return minus 1 because there is no return. I have also removed the return, okay? I don't need it. So I have minus 1, 2 points. I will check again. If, without if of course, value 1 is less than value 2, interrogation, I have plus 1, positive value, else it means 2 points, I have 0. Okay? And I close. Here is my Lambda expression. Okay? And I will execute this program in the computer. You will see the result without creating the class my comparator. Okay? It's a version of how to use Lambda expression to sort your list, your own list, without implementing comparator interface. Do you see? It's very, very easy. We have difference here. As you can see, I have the version with using my comparator class and with Lambda expression without using my comparator class. The code, as you can see, the code is very, very less than the previous version. Okay? It's more readable, maintainable, etc. So let's jump to computer to see the execution of this, and I will continue inshallah with another example in the next video inshallah. So let's go. So let's use the Lambda expression to sort our list. I just copy paste this code to let all the previous code, and I will come on this one. Tag. Okay, and here 3 sorting our list with lambda expression. So here, remember what I will use. We have value 1, value 2, simple arrow, oops, sorry, and I will copy paste directly this code without a return value. So all this code here, just like this. Okay, so this sorting with lambda expression, and let's see the result. Tag. Do you see? There is our same. We have the same result. Good. I have that you have understand one system. It's very important to understand all this concept. I think it becomes now useful to have to use lambda expression. Remember, if you have only one abstract method in interface, you can change it with lambda expression, and it will be very easy to jump to the next topic, inshallah. To continue with another example also, or to use another list, we will see this. Okay? Thank you a lot of brothers and sisters who have followed this course until this moment. Like this video, share it with your friends, as I said always. Subscribe, please, to my channel, subscribe. Tell you goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.